Our current topic of discussion has given over 50% return in just last 3 months. This company, which was once my favorite pick under 1000 crore market cap, is now valued at over 4000 crores. Hello everyone, I'm Rakshit Pai and in this video, I'll be talking about one company that is famous for its basmati rice. Their rice products are some of the tastiest ones on the market. We'll see if the company is tasty enough to invest in. Business introduction. LT Foods is the second largest basmati rice company in India under the branded food segment. The company has a market share of 30% in the industry and is the largest seller in US and Western markets, where it commands over 32% and 18% respectively of the basmati rice packaged sales. There are three key business segments for LT Foods. Number 1, basmati and other specialty rice, which contributes 79% of the company's revenue. Number 2, organic food and ingredients, which includes products from the brand EcoLife, basically various kinds of cereal, grains and other stuffs. This accounts for 13% of the company's revenue. And number 3, LT Foods convenience and health products, which includes ready to eat meals and other convenience foods. This contributes just 2% of the revenue. Fundamental analysis. Basmati rice is the company's core product, and as we all know, basmati rice is a costly item that very few can afford. However, due to rising living standard, particularly in India and Middle Eastern countries, and rising disposable income, the company will be able to sell more of its product. This is very clear when we look at the company's sales figures, which have been increasing steadily over the past 12 quarters. Western countries already consumes more and they are well equipped to continue to do so. With that, we can be self-assured that the company's sales will grow even stronger by the day. As far as financials are concerned, LT Foods revenue has been growing each quarter for the past 12 quarters. The gross profit margin is at 25 to 30% and the net margin, that is the after-tax margin, is at 5 to 6%. Bit low, but it's same all over the industry. LT Foods cash from operation grew 4 times in the past 3 years. Debt is low and we have healthy cash position with strong interest coverage of over 7 times. Put together, financially the company has done pretty well. When choosing such companies, look for those who consistently increase their EPS without altering their balance sheet in any drastic manner. The major concern of LT Foods' balance sheet is that its trade payable, which has gone up threefold in the past 2 years. Are they doing it because of low cash or is it an understanding between the vendors? Yet to see. Also, the company's inventories are piling up. That too is a cause for concern. Technical analysis. There's not much to speak about technicals except for the fact that the stock took quite a beating in the past 2 days. But I base this on the rumor that is going around. Actually, it is said that there is a private equity fund that's planning to invest a big chunk in LT Foods. This confusion is probably the reason the stock is on sale. Well, also the quarterly results were due, so maybe that's the reason. SWOT risk analysis. Opportunity and strength. Number 1, as already said, the disposable income of various Asian countries, mainly Indians, is increasing. So the demand for basmati product will grow strongly. And there's already a well-established Western market. Number 2, the Indian packaged food market is growing at 11% CAGR. This includes basmati products, and being the second largest seller, we can expect LT Foods sales to grow by at least 8 to 10% per year for the next 3 years. Weakness and threat. Number 1, the Middle East is the largest consumer of basmati rice, but the market is also flooded with other local brands and international companies. That could be the reason why LT Food is unable to grasp the market share, because the Middle East accounts for just 6% of company's total revenue. Number 2, all agriculturally driven companies such as LT Foods are sensitive to monsoon and climate conditions. That is why these companies act as a cyclical, because at times their main product is raw material which can be affected due to monsoon. Anything that has negative impact on the raw material will have an impact on company's overall revenue more so than others. Conclusion. LT Food has been in the consumer food business for the past 70 years and is a leading player in specialty rice food products and organic business across the globe, delivering finest quality products in more than 60 countries. This company has yielded favorable returns for my portfolio. I'll continue to hold on to the shares for as long as it serves me right. With that said, the company is still available at a reasonable price thanks to its more than expected earnings growth. Do your own due diligence before investing. Now that you have come this far, why not check out ET Money Genius? Making money in the stock market isn't easy, right? That's when I realized that in order to earn better returns, instead of running behind top mutual funds, why not try ET Money Genius? ET Money Genius will understand your risk profile and suggest various mutual funds where you can invest. For instance, you can invest in a mix of index funds of large, mid-sized and even small cap companies. Why not try international equity, and even debt instruments and gold funds are offered. Basically, you get a very well diversified portfolio. Not only that, ET Money Genius will also make timely adjustments to your portfolio such that your portfolio returns are not affected by changes in the market. So what are the expected returns? Well, if you had invested as per ET Money Genius high growth mutual fund strategy for any 7 years in the last 15 years, you would have earned 16.1 CAGR returns. The wait ends here, because with no additional work, you can earn a wonderful return just by subscribing to ET Money Genius membership. Check the link in the description. Thank you for watching.